open interest is at all-time high since March 23rd of May 2026. Like we predicted the week that just ended, that we are super bullish on gold, and that is exactly what market did. That we are anchoring our support on the 28th of May low and 9 of June high. The fair value gap, the weekly fair value gap that turned inversion fair value gap, we extended that out, and the price exactly used that as a launching pad to keep on pushing high, and that is what we predicted this week, and the market did that. So what do we have going forward this week? Gold is still at the all-time high for the market participants, and if a lot of participants are at full in market, we expect market to keep on ripping high and high. So moving forward, I do expect price to keep on moving higher. That is what I am expecting. Like, you know, can agree with me that I predicted that my first target on gold is the opening price of month of March, and the next target is good, making a all-time high, and at currently market is a few points away from that opening price on the month of April. We are just few points away from hitting that target, and that is very massive. And I think as soon as we touch that opening price on month of April, I think we may have some breathing space. We have to rest a little bit and to know if we are continuing to push her, but I'm still expecting those levels to hit all-time high and the opening price on month of April. And that is that on gold. Then the next on my list will be DSY. The next on my list is DSY. Now it is obvious that the fair value gap we predicted on the month of this fair value gap here, we are below that fair value gap currently now. So the obvious level here now will be opening price on 8th of May. Opening price of 8th of May. That level looks interesting. But to be honest with you, on DSY, I don't trust this setup. For DSY, I think I will pass DSY until I saw something that's interesting to me. I will pass DSY. But if I'm going to pass DSY, definitely I will pass euro and also pounds. But based on what chart is saying on this is a 50-50 narrative, I still see pounds and euro keep on pushing high, and that is that on DSY and euro and pounds. I don't have a clearer perspective on them. Then I go to indices such as ES, NQ and YM. Then starting with the NQ. On NQ looks interesting to me, that if we go to our CO2 report, the squeeze we predicted last week that might likely happen did exactly happen, because we have a 34k positive delta this week. So what does that mean in essence? The net long has turned to positive 6.5k from last week negative 27.4k. So that is a very massive squeeze. So those that try to sell NQ, they are going to be squeezed. So, and if we check our ES, we still have a positive delta 11k. So also what charts, so let's look at our charts and see what price is saying on ES and NQ. On a weekly time frame, this is a kind of very obvious. Just let me delete this few stuff here. All right, so market retraced to this fair value gap here. So, and this fair value gap is still holding a price. This weekly fair value gap is still holding price, and we are still 50% above the fair value gap. And also this is a breaker. If we put our Fibonacci 2 from a high of this to the low, so we are still above 50% of it. So I'm expecting price to, from this current level on a NQ on a weekly time frame, give us a strong reason to go long from the current level we are. And if we look at if we compare the same on ES, you know, ES had made the all-time high and created a fair value gap plus volume imbalance on a weekly time frame, and the price is still inside that fair value gap, but is above 50% of that fair value gap. So I will be expecting price to give us some signature at this current level to push high, squeezing out those sellers we saw on NQ. So going forward this week, I will be on the buying side of NQ. I think I will long from, if I see my signature, my model from this current level here, I would like to long NQ or ES. And in summary this week, what I have this week: currency, foreign currency like euro, pounds, and DSY is, I don't have a clear direction on it. I don't have a clear direction on it. But gold, we had a massive upward move this week. We were just a few pips away from our current our target, our first target, which is the opening price on the month of April, and the next target is the all-time high on gold. So we are still bullish on gold and bullish on indices for now. Alright guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and trade smart, be safe.